Hello guys, it's Eve Everything or Ria and Trixie and Rihanna's Two Kinds. Yeah, I'm back on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube without telling my bestie and everyone else that I'm creating YouTube. Sorry bestie if you got this, if you view my channel and watch this. By the way, I'm back and thank you for your support. Ria and Trixie. The other one got matching with my bestie. Yeah. We still chat a lot, but I but I but I feel a little hot, like I have a hot temper. So I might not be today's Sunday, and I might not be going going to school tomorrow. And I think I cannot volleyball anymore. Yeah, and all the different sports that I pick or games. Yeah, guys. And Ria and Trixie, my machi bestie. Um, when I viewed your channel and scroll down and I saw that prank that you gave me, that the stupid lyrics you said, I didn't know that I got too far or something. But at the last video, you were back. And I love your emoji cats and in your last video and that stupid lyrics are just gonna make me cry sometimes. But I'm okay, guys. I'm okay. I just have a cough and a hot temper. I don't know what temper, but yeah, I might not be going tomorrow. And me and my bestie are separated class. My bestie Ria and Trixie is Mom Christine, and my teacher is Ma'am Angeles. Yeah, we're all Ilocano though. We live in the Philippines. And please guys, subscribe to Ria and Trixie because her goal is 50 subs and my goal is 3K subs. Sub to her and sub to me, guys. I'll sub back to you.